Mark, and we are here in Colony today for Dan and Liz's wedding. They have a great, absolutely stellar lineup of pros today. We're here with Skeeter Creek, we're here with Yard Bar, we are here with our rental companies, and a whole bunch of other great stuff. So we're going to show you around a little bit. This is the double-sided Yard Bar right here in the driveway. Very nice touch. And then we have a 40 by 60 tent here. We have around 120 chairs and the tables that go with it. We have Skeeter Creek setting up right now. They come with myself as a DJ and wedding planner. We have a couple of our other coordinators coming today. The restroom trailer is located just outside, which was a slight change from the original plan, but we have an entrance out here for it. And this is from 802 Restrooms, and it's accessible from the side. To kind of give you an idea, we just got this 40 by 60 in here. It was between that and Yard Bar, it was a perfect fit. You can literally see where the tent ends. And then a lot of the chairs are being purposed first out here in the side yard. They're going to have some food and stuff here on the patio eventually, and then the ceremony is back here. So all the chairs are out here first. Guests will arrive, come for the ceremony, and then go back into the tent for the party. So there is an incredible amount of setup that is involved. Obviously there's lots of components and lots of people, and once footprints are established, then they start running all their wires to everything and professional sound, and the rest of us wait. And it all comes together very nicely.